Hello everyone, welcome to Code Hunger, and in today's video we will learn about how to integrate Molly payment gateway in Laravel 8. Okay, to understand how it is working, please watch the full video. To integrate the Molly payment, I am going to follow my blog Molly payment gateway integration in Laravel 8. Okay, so let's begin. So the very first thing to process the Molly payment, the thing is you need a Molly account first. So just click on the link. You can see the account is created. Okay, so the very first thing is you have to create the account. If you already created the account, or when you create your account, just go to the login and enter your credential and log in to your account. Okay, so once you logged in, just go to the settings, website profiles, and you have to turn on the payment method. Right, I am already done it. That's why it is showing the 6 payment method activated. When you come the very first time, here no payment method will be activated. You have to activate those things to accept the payment. On the other thing, you can get your API key right from here. You can just copy and save it anywhere. We will use it later. Okay, now I'm going to move forward. Right, so other thing is we have to add those things in the route, the controller path on the top of the route, right, in the web.php right here, and then we have to add these two routes also. And paste it in your web.php file. Okay, just correct it, payment is spelling mistake. Okay, now other thing is that we need a Molly controller, right? To create the controller, we will enter this command. Okay, so you can see our controller is created. Oh, right. On the another thing is that we need a Molly package to integrate the Molly payment gateway with the Laravel. So to do that thing, you have to run, you can install that package via Composer. Just copy it, go to your command and paste it here, press enter, and it will install. I already installed it. It will take few minutes to install, nothing more than that. You can see those installation files under the vendor folder. Okay, now I'm moving forward. Just copy this code and put it in your controller. Right, now let's understand what is actually happening here. On the very first thing, I have set the API key in the constructor method, because when this class is called, this method is executed very first, because this is the constructor method, the magic function, right? And at that time I have set the Molly API key. Here the Molly I am using as a facade, right? That's why I am calling it in a static way. On the another thing is that in the amount array, you can see I pass the currency and the value key. The currency value is the euro. You can pass euro, USD, or you can also check the types of currency supported by Molly. On the another key is the value, where you can pass how much amount, right? Here if I will put the 20, or you can say the 30 euros, right? Then the description and then redirect URL. To understand the description and the redirect part, let open this thing. Okay, it come to here. You can see the payment by Code Hunger, your description, and then the redirect URL. Redirect URL basically works when the payment is completed and where you have to move. So the redirect URL is the payment or success, which is that one. It will call the payment success method. It will directly come here and show payment has been received. Other thing I have been used, you can say the payment variable, where I am returning and another redirect, I am pass the payment get checkout URL. So what actually happening, it will get some data. You can see all those data by doing a DD or by doing the printer, and it will generate a URL like this. You can also get this URL when you print r this variable. So it will directly redirect to the payment page, and then I am choosing the credit card, paid, continue, payment has been received. Just go to the transaction payments and just turn on the test mode. You can see here 30 euros has been made, right? I hope you understand this very simple way to integrate the Molly payment gateway, and I thought you also like the video, right? If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. If you have confusion, just comment it on the video, or you can also mail us on the hungerforcode@gmail.com. And on the other thing, if you want to hire me as a freelancer, I'm also available for that. And just don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will come with more videos. Thank you once again.